Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PestRemovalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about will snake eat cat. Now before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click notification bell so that you can receive updates about my videos when it is uploaded and also help my channel grow. Now yes, definitely there are different kind of snakes out there, and if a bigger snakes comes to human locality, then definitely they can hunt down small cats over there. The kittens can be a much easier prey to the big snakes, but big cats can be a little bit bothersome, but they can also be a prey to bigger snakes. Now when they are coming to kill a cat, they have to do an ambush, because of course the cat is a very careful creature and it has a really good reflexes. So if the snake is going to attack him and if the cat is watching the snake, then there is no way that the snake is going to capture the cat, because the cats are itself is really fast and it's difficult even for the very fast snakes to actually strike a blow to the cat. So that's why it's really difficult to catch the cat if they're aware. So the only way to do that when there is not aware. So if they're not aware, if the snake is able to capture the cat, then if this is a constricting snake like let's say python, then it will first wrap its body around the cat like it does with all other animal, and then eventually when it dies it will start swallowing. Whereas when it comes to big snakes like king cobra, which are venomous by nature, they will use their venom to kill the cat, and then when the cat dies, the snake will then go and swallow the cat. Now cats are of course not their primary food, so they are not actively looking for the cat to eat, but when there is scarcity, when they see that there is not getting food for quite some time, and if they find cat in those kind of places when they are hungry, then definitely they will try to eat the cat. Now cat, like I mentioned before, has all sort of abilities, and they have really sharp claws and teeth, so they can also do significant harm to a snake if the snake is not aware. So usually the snake tries to avoid this kind of collisions, because the cat itself is a great predator by itself, so it's not easy to actually capture and kill and then eat a cat. Now small snakes on the other hand doesn't really have the ability to challenge a cat, because it has been seen many times that the cat actually attacks the smaller snake. So smaller snakes doesn't really get a chance against the cat, but on the other hand bigger snakes which are really big have tough body, and they don't usually get much of a hurt from this kind of cat scratches or from their bites. So it's possible that those kind of snakes can actually kill the cat unless the cat is actually biting on their face, on their head. It's really difficult to kill those kind of big snakes because they are really venomous, and if they are really strong, so if they catch the cat, then there is no chance for the cat to escape. And since cats are much smaller than other animals that these snakes hunt, so it won't be much of a difficulty for these snakes to actually capture and eat the cat if he's able to capture, that is. Now like I mentioned before, cat usually stays on the trees and other places where most of the snakes can climb, but those kind of places may not be the right place to strike a cat, because if the cat senses danger, it will immediately jump off from the tree and immediately run away. So a small error from the snake can be more than enough for the cat to escape. But if the snake is really careful and is really hungry, then the chances are that the snake might be able to capture the cat. Now this is not very uncommon, this happens a lot, because the snakes, when they are hungry and coming into human territory, they look for different kind of food. And if they are small snakes, then definitely they are, or moderate sized snakes, let's say around 7 to 8 feet, they won't be going to hunt a bigger animals that can be dangerous for them. So they will usually try to settle for the smaller ones like a cat and even small kittens or even smaller dogs, but they usually will settle themselves with those, because hunting bigger animals comes with its own risks, because they can move a lot and they can do significant damage to the snake, so they don't usually take those kind of risks. But smaller animals, even smaller humans can also at risk, because these snakes looks for food, and wherever they get the opportunity they will strike. And if if their length is small, if they are not that much big in length, then they will hunt smaller animals, but they will definitely hunt something. And nobody is safe during this kind of situation. And if you see that there are a lot of snakes and if in your place, and if you see that something is going missing quite often than not, then there are chances that snakes are doing these kind of situations and bringing these kind of things up. And if you keep ignoring them, then more cats or other small animals will just get vanished, because they will be eaten by the snake. So it's better to let the authority know about these snakes, and they will do all of the things that they can do to keep the snakes alive and also relocate them to some other place. That will be the best course of action in this kind of situation, because going there by yourself is definitely not a choice, because that snakes can also attack humans. Even if they doesn't kill the human immediately, they can do severe damage to humans. So let the authority deal with it, and let the authority know if your cat goes missing, or if your neighbor's cat go missing, or even smaller dogs goes missing for some reason. If let us say a kitten goes missing, make sure that somebody knows about it, because if they are not aware, then if you just keep ignoring them, then the situation can escalate, and more animals can get actually vanish from your place, and that's not something definitely anybody wants. So make sure to let the authority know. So that's it for this video. I hope you find something helpful for this video. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment and subscribe button. I'm uploading 2 videos every single week, that is on Monday and Friday. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Thank you.